In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Docusign support in a few simple steps. Whether you're encountering an issue or need guidance on a specific feature, reaching out for help is an essential part of using any service effectively. Let's get started. First, we need to begin by navigating to the Docusign website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering the URL www.docusign.com. Docusign is well known for its electronic signature and intelligent agreement management solutions, making it a go-to resource for businesses and individuals alike. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to orient yourself. You'll find various tabs and options, but our focus right now is on the login process. Next, look towards the top right corner of the web page where you'll find the login button. Click on it. It's important to make sure you have your login credentials, your username and password on hand before proceeding. This ensures a smooth transition to accessing your personal or business dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the Docusign homepage. The homepage is your central hub, displaying all your documents and options for managing them. But today, we've got our site set on support, so let's continue. On this homepage, you'll notice a Start button. This is the entry point to engage with Docusign's support teams. Click on Start, and you'll be guided towards the options available for obtaining help. You'll find these options straightforward, designed to cater to a wide range of user needs. As we move forward, keep an eye out for the Open Messenger option. Clicking on Open Messenger is like opening a direct line of communication with the support team. It's an efficient way to type out your questions or explain any issues you're facing. Messenger services often provide quicker responses than email, making them ideal for pressing concerns. Finally, you will see the Message Us link or button within the Messenger interface. By selecting Message Us, you'll trigger an immediate chat with a support representative. Be prepared to describe your issue concisely so the support agent can assist you effectively. Remember to provide specifics and any error messages you've encountered, as this information is invaluable for troubleshooting. In conclusion, contacting Docusign support is a streamlined process designed with user convenience in mind. From getting on the website to messaging a support representative, each step ensures that help is just a few clicks away. I hope this tutorial empowers you to successfully communicate with Docusign support whenever you need guidance. If this video was helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit. Thank you for watching, and I hope your experience with Docusign continues to be a positive one.